we will learn about subtraction with borrowing. So remember, we always start number on the right side and also the numbers in the ones place. Okay, and then we make our way to left side. Okay, that is from ones to tens. Okay, so first part we need to do is 3 minus 5. Okay, 3 minus 5, right? However, we know that 3 is too small to subtract 5, right? 3 is too small to subtract 5. We can't subtract 5 from 3. So, we are going to borrow from the neighbor number, that is 2, okay, which is 2. Because we are going to borrow 1, we can borrow only 1 always, okay. Because we are going to borrow 1 from this number, we need to cross it out, okay, and replace it with 1. Clear? Now we are going to give 1 to 3, okay, 1 number to 3, and you might have thinking it make it become 4, but that's not right, okay, that's not right, because we need to remember the place value of this number. Because 2 was in tens place, okay, we haven't borrowed 1, okay, but we actually borrowed 1 10, okay, 1 10, okay, that is 10, that means it is 10. So now we can do a calculation that this makes it, this 1 makes it, because it is 10, this makes it 10 plus 3 is equals to 13, okay, and just cross it out. Now it is 13. Now we can subtract 13 to 5, okay. Now subtract the number 13 minus 5. So what is the answer? 13 minus 5 is equals to 8, okay, 8. The sum is 8. Now there is no number here in tens place to subtract, okay, so we'll just write the remaining number below the tens place in the sum. Now our answer is 18, okay, 23 minus 5 is equals to 18. Let's do some more sums. Next is 42 minus 24, okay. What is the first part we need to do? That we need always start a number from ones place, and the digits in the ones place are 2 minus 4. Now again this number is too small, okay, because we always subtract this number from the number given in the upper side, okay, and this is too small to subtract 4. Again we will borrow one digit, one number from the neighbor, okay, and giving one digit, one number to this ones place, we need to cross it out and replace it with 3, okay, and give 1 to this. This is actually 1/10. Why? Because 4 was in tens place, ones tens, so this is 10, okay, so 10 plus 2 makes 12. You needn't to like add 10 plus, what is the calculation, like 10 plus 2, no, don't do anything, just write 1 and put the digit after the 1, okay, and just cross it out. Now we can do our calculation. 12 minus 4, so what is the answer? 12 minus 4 is equals to 8, Okay, just write below the ones digits 8. Now what is the number here? 3. Okay, so 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2 is equals to 1. So the answer is 18. 42 minus 24 is equals to 18. Next is 87 minus 69. Again, remember we always start on the right side with ones digits. Okay, so 7 minus 9. Again, 7 is too small to subtract 9, right? So we'll borrow 1 from the neighboring number, that is the number in the tens place. Just cross it out, and 8 minus 1 makes 7, and give 1 digit to this and put 7 after 1. Okay, now do your calculation. 17 minus 9 is equals to 8. Okay, 17 minus 9 is equals to 8, and 7 minus 6 is equals to 1. We are getting same answers, right? Okay, forget about it. Next is 45 minus 38. One second. Okay, so first thing we need to do is subtract the digits given in the ones place or the digits on the right side. So 5 minus 8, it is not possible. 5 can't subtract 8. So we need to borrow 1 from this place. Just cross it out and replace it with 3. Because 4 minus 1, because 4 has given 1 to this ones place digit, and now it is 3. Okay, 4 minus 1 is equals to 3. And just write this number, cross it out after 1. Now it is 15. Okay, let's do your calculation now. 15 minus 8. So what is the answer? 15 minus 8 is equals to 7. Okay, and 3 minus 3 is equals to 0. So 45 minus 38 is equals to 7. Clear, everyone? Okay, next is 70 minus 35. Again, apply the same rule here. Start the number given on the right side. Okay, 0 minus 5. So 0 is too small to subtract 5. Now borrow 1 digit from the digit written in the tens place and just cross it out and replace it with 6. Why 6? Because 7 has given 1 to this place. So 7 minus 1 is equals to 6, and put cross the 0 and put 0 after 1. Now it is 10. So 10 minus 5 is equals to 5, and 6 minus 3 is equals to 3. Clear? So 70 minus 35 is equals to 35. Now we are going to solve the last sum. 23 minus 18. So same rule here also. Start the number given on the right side, that is 3 minus 8. So 3 is too small to subtract 8, right? So what we will do? We will borrow. 2 will give 1 to ones place digit, okay, and replace it with 1, because 2 minus 1 is equals to 1. Cross this number and write after 1. Now it is 13 minus 8. So 13 minus 8 is equals to 5, right? And 1 minus 1 is equals to 0. So children, that's all in today's video. I hope you all have understood that how we can solve subtraction with borrow. Okay, so all these 6 questions for homework in your copy.